Two Little Dicky Birds. Hi kindergarten, I'm going to show you a magic trick with two little dicky birds and they're sitting on the wall. So first I need my chair because it can be the wall, and then I did picture of two little dicky birds on sticky tape because they can be my two little dicky birds. Ready? So the first little dicky bird, one's called Peter, one's called Paul. So I'm going to put Peter on my finger. On you go, Peter. Can you be on my finger? Peter, there's Peter. See him? And there is Paul. Okay. So here we go. Can you see those dicky birds? Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One called Peter, one called Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Kind of magic, eh? Want to see me do it again? Get ready, here we go. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One called Peter, come back. Peter? Peter. Oh, he's back. Okay. Perhaps we should start again. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One called Peter, one called Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
I want to be a dicky bird sitting on the wall. I think my name is Peter, but it might be Paul. I'd like some little dinner to eat with my bird. I hope I get a little bird to eat.
That's a nice song, puppy.
Well, thank you, Miss Andrew.
Puppy, you're wagging your tail in my face? Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Were you trying to sing the Dicky Bird song?
Yes,
Do you like Dicky Birds?
yes, I do. I wish I could read the poem.
Well, I could write the poem on the wall and you could try reading it.
Okay.
Let's see what we've got. There's the poem on the wall. Okay, kindergarten, so here's our poem. Are you ready to start to solve some reading clues? Let's see. Well, it starts with two. Can you think of a song that we've been singing lately that starts with two? Yeah, I think you got it. But let's check if you're right. What is the title of this poem? Now, if you're thinking that it's two little dicky birds, then the first word is two, next word is little, next word is dicky, and the next word must be birds. So, two. Well, there's our number two. That's our first clue. The next word is too little. So that would have to be the next word. If we're right, the next word would have to begin with L, l, like left for leader, lion, and all that lot. So we need a letter that's shaped like this to be at the beginning of our next word if we're going to be right about this. Is the L? Yeah. Let's try the next word. Two little. Next word must be Dicky. Yeah, d, like on the drum. D, Dicky Birds. Yeah, we're looking for the D. The D says D. So our next word must begin with D. Let's have a look. Two little. Oh, it begins with D. D. I think we're about to solve this problem. Now, two little Dicky. Oh, what does the last word begin with? Must be birds. If we think it's two little Dicky Birds, the last word must be birds. B, birds. Like bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Does it begin with a B? Two, look for little. D for Dicky Birds. D for Dicky, sorry. And B for birds. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the next line here. It begins with Can anyone think of a word in our song about the Dicky Birds that begins with Yeah. Fly. Ooh, fly away what? Ooh, something beginning with P. Fly away pig? Oh no, that wasn't in the song. Fly away pet. Oh, petter. Pet. E and R together on the end of a word say Fly away pet. Fly away petter? I don't think there was a petter word in our song. What word was in our song that sounds a bit like petter? Oh, Peter. That probably says Peter. Yeah. Fly away Peter. Yeah, if a word doesn't sound quite right, see if you can guess one that might be better. Yeah.
Miss Andrew, I think you're sticking them on the back of your head.
What, when I do the Dicky Birds one?
Yeah, you stick them on the back of your head.
No.
You stick them on the back of the wall.
No, it's a trick.
Show me.
No, I'm not going to show you, but I'll do it so you see that I don't stick them on the back of my head and the back of the wall. You can look behind me.
Okay.
Two little Dicky Birds sitting on the wall. One called Peter, one called Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little Dicky Birds sitting on the wall. One called Peter, one called Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. The end for now.